in India. Which is the oldest European power to come to India? Answer is Portuguese. Which is the last European power to leave India? Again, answer is Portuguese. Portugal ruled Indian territory of Goa for 450 years. Vasco da Gama arrived in Kerala, in Kapad in Calicut in 1498 in a ship called San Gabriel. Then it was the rule of Almeida in 1502. Almeida shifted to Goa and conquered Goa for next 450 years. Goa was ruled by a Kadamba dynasty, but it was defeated. Then we are going to speak about English East India Company. It was founded in 1600 in London. It came to Surat to establish its trade relations. Ralph Fitch is known as the forerunner of English rule in India. Thomas Roe and Hopkins visited the court of Shah Jahan. After the Battle of Plassey in 1757, British ruled India till 1947. In the Battle of Plassey, they defeated Nawab of Bengal. Thank you very much.